Gateway Pediatrics invites you to make an appointment for your child's next pediatric visit for your wellness checks, pediatric vaccines, physicals, and for any other healthcare needs. With 6 clinics to serve you. Call Gateway Pediatrics at 956-795-8100.
Gateway Sports Medicine has grown leaps and bounds to provide quality health care for everyone in Laredo and the surrounding areas, providing multiple sports medicine services for adults and children. Now we welcome Dr. Eduardo Garza, our new sports medicine physician, to our team, helping the athletes of Laredo be at the peak of their performance. Dr. Eduardo Garza brings his knowledge and experience to Gateway Community Health Center. With school around the corner, get your star athlete checked out today and welcome Dr. Eduardo Garza to Gateway Sports Medicine.
Gateway Pediatrics invites you to make an appointment for your child's next pediatric visit for your wellness checks, pediatric vaccines, physicals, and for any other healthcare needs. With 6 clinics to serve you. Call Gateway Pediatrics at 956-795-8100.
Welcome to Gateway Today, the show that talks all things Gateway Community Health Center. I'm your host, David Kash Vasquez, and today we have a special interactive show where you get to play along with us at home. Today, we're going to walk you through our simple registration and appointment process. Don't worry, you can follow along easily at home with just your phone, so go ahead and take it out. We'll guide you through step by step so you can make sure you're registered and ready for your next appointment with us. And if you haven't heard or noticed by now, diabetes prevention and management is a topic we're passionate about at Gateway. We want to see how much our viewers know about it, so get ready to engage with us today by testing your knowledge on diabetes prevention and management. Pay attention because you might just learn something new, and that's not all. We're going shopping. Join us as we head to the grocery store to pick out some delicious green vegetables and fruits to support a healthy diet. You won't want to miss out on the tips and tricks we have for healthy grocery shopping on a budget. But wait, there's more. Gateway Today heads outside for some reflection, deep breathing, and physical activity. Take a break from your busy day and join us as we lead you through some simple exercises you can do anywhere. You won't want to miss the chance to de-stress and get moving with us. We got a lot of show to cover, so sit back, relax, and join us as we get interactive with you from the comfort of your home. Another episode of Gateway Today starts now. Well, as promised, this is one of our most interactive shows ever, and we're walking you through the process of registering to become a patient or request an appointment at Gateway Community Health Center, simply by using your phone. So take your phones out and follow along with us at home. The process is easy and seamless. You might even learn something new when we're all done with it. So let's get into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what you want to do first is you want to come over to the website, gatewaychc.com. It's super simple. Just type in gatewaychc.com on your phone or on your computer. A couple things that I want you to notice when you get to the website. At the very top, if you click on this number, this will actually allow you to call Gateway Community Health Center directly, simply by clicking on the number. We're not going to do that for this demonstration, but just want to show you what capabilities are available. The other thing you want to do is click on the email. If you would like to send us an email, you can email us directly, and that will also open up your email browser on your mobile device if you have email enabled. Now, how do you become a patient? Well, very simple. There's a couple of ways to do this. One is simply by scrolling down and clicking Become a Patient. You're going to click Become a Patient, register online. That will then open up the registration form, and is a very simple form. You don't need a lot of information, simply your name, last name, date of birth, where you live, email, or click no email if you don't have one, phone number, and then whether you have insurance or you don't have insurance. Remember, we take everyone, we never turn any away anyone away, no matter their ability to pay or not to pay. Everyone is welcome at Gateway Community Health Center. Now, the other way to get to the registration portal is by clicking on the 3 lines, also known as the burger menu. Click on that. It's going to open up all these different options. Scroll down to where it says Become Patient. And again, it'll take you to the same window. Just again, click Register Online, follow the prompts, and then you will receive a phone call from Gateway Community Health Center to set up your appointment. Now, you can also use this to set up an appointment if you're an existing customer. So you can also use this form, the Register Online form, to set up your appointment as well. Or you can also call the clinic directly and set up your appointment over the phone. The other option you have is to simply come on down to Gateway Community Health Center or any one of our clinics. And if you want to find those locations, you can simply come on over to our locations, and all of our locations are listed for you here on our website. You can simply walk into any one of our clinics and you can get seen that day. So walk-ins are always welcome. No appointment is necessary. However, if you are a planner and want to make sure that everything is set and done and skip the wait and the time, then make sure you start by becoming a patient, clicking Register Online, filling out the form, and the process is as simple as that. And very soon you're on your way and one step closer to becoming a healthier, better you. Again, the website to visit is gatewaychc.com. As part of our most interactive show ever, we're letting you, the viewer, engage with Gateway today. Well, recently you may have heard us talking a lot about diabetes and the Gateway Diabetes Institute. Now we want to see if you're ready to test your knowledge on diabetes prevention and management. You can play along with us at home. We want to know, how can diabetes be prevented or managed? Is it A, eating a healthy diet, B, exercising regularly, C, maintaining a healthy weight, or is it D, all of the above? Well, we'll give you some time to think about your answer, and if you're playing along with us at home, we'll come back to this question later on in the show. All right, well, since we're on the topic of diabetes prevention and management, you may remember we got a chance to talk about healthy food with our registered dietitian, Marisa Benavides. Check it out.
Marisa, I want to toss it over to you because I want to know how to build a healthy plate, and you're going to show us, right? So show me, tell me, what is it that my plate needs to have so that I can live a long, healthy life?
Okay, well, starting off, the basis of the plate should have vegetables. And this is a method called the Idaho plate method that helps us have some flexibility and can have some cultural variations in the way we build our plate. And it's a really nice tool because there's really no right or wrong way to eat, and there's not one set diet for any individual, but it gives them some flexibility. And so when we see this plate, we notice that half the plate is filled with vegetables. Do you eat vegetables regularly?
I try to.
Okay.
I try.
Should you be eating vegetables?
Every day or with every plate, yes. I think, right? So
we should be eating vegetables on a daily basis, and that's a big challenge for people. Sometimes they don't like it. Sometimes they don't really know how to prepare it. And one of the things that I hear frequently from patients is they really don't know what to do with them. You know, in their mind, most of my patients are thinking of that bag of vegetables Normandy that come with the broccoli, the cauliflower, and the carrots. And, you know, maybe their mom steamed it for them and made them eat it when they were a kid. And so when I talk about eating more vegetables, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about filling your plate with delicious, yummy, amazing tasting vegetables on a regular basis. And they can be frozen, but they can be fresh, they can be canned. It really doesn't matter.
And that was going to be one of my questions was, does it matter whether the vegetables are frozen? I buy frozen vegetables, fresh vegetables. Does it matter in what form they come or the way I eat them?
At the end of the day, I just need you to eat them. Whatever is easier for you and your preference, and that works.
Taking Marisa's advice, we thought it would be fun to head to the grocery store to show you how easy it is to buy food that would support a healthy diet, all while maintaining a healthy weight. Check it out. At Gateway Community Health Center, our patients are treated to nutritional and diet support. Our registered dietitian, Marisa Benavides, has given us a shopping list. So follow me inside the grocery store and let's start taking our journey to a healthy heart and a healthy, nutritious diet. So we're in the fresh produce aisle right here at the grocery store, and we've got that list from our registered dietitian, Marisa Benavides, who shared with us what it is we need to add to our shopping cart. This is the first place you want to hit when you walk inside the grocery store. So you'll see you got asparagus, you got beets, you got celery, you've got spinach, you got lettuce, my favorite, fresh broccoli, you've got cabbage, and you've got all these fresh greens that are going to contribute to a healthy lifestyle. If you keep going down, you've got carrots, you've got mushrooms. Those are all the things you want to add to your plate, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They all need to have a fresh set of greens to that plate. My favorite has to be the asparagus. Add a little olive oil to your pan, salt, pepper. You can bake them, you can pan fry them, you can grill them outside. And I will say they are super delicious, super tender, and super healthy. So part of building a healthy plate includes some starch, but I want to talk about these starches specifically: corn, beans, potatoes. All of those should be limited to a half cup only. So any potato, any sweet potato, all of that should be limited to a half cup on your healthy plate. So I want to talk about a vegetable hack here at most grocery stores. You're going to find them. They already have these vegetables cut up and mixed up, ready for you to eat. It's that simple. You'll find them like this one has baby spinach and kale, or this one is a baby spinach mix. So you're getting all that nutrition packed onto your plate, and you're getting your nutrition on a regular basis. It's super easy, super simple. Instead of you buying a whole vegetable, they make it easy, ready to go, ready for you to eat, and you're staying healthy. Hey, look, eating vegetables isn't all boring. You can actually eat fruit. I mean, raspberries are delicious, blackberries, blueberries, watermelon, grapes. These are all on the American Diabetes Association list of healthy fruits and fruits that you should be eating for a healthy heart and a healthy lifestyle. So pack your plate with some fruit, make sure you do it portion sized, and make sure you do it every single day for a healthy heart and a healthy diet. All right, so we're talking about proteins right now, and one of the leanest proteins that you can get in terms of red meat is sirloin, top sirloin that is. Now, what's really cool about sirloin is that it comes in different variations. You've got strips, your sirloin strips, but they also make it into fajita style. So sirloin can be cooked in many different ways. It's a lean red meat, and one of the meats that you should also limit when it comes to portion size. You definitely want to cut your portion size down to only a quarter size of the plate. Everything else should be all greens. All right, over red meat, I will say you are better off picking either chicken or fish. Fish being the preference. Now, when it comes to protein, you want to limit it to a quarter size of the plate only. Season it to perfection, grill it, pan fry it. Either way, fish is the way to go, and you want to limit it to a quarter size of the plate and fill it up with healthy vegetables. So one of the big questions that I asked Marisa Benavides, a registered dietitian, about was whether I could eat frozen vegetables and still get the same nutritional value, and the answer is yes, you can. And one of the things that I love about eating vegetables, frozen vegetables that is that they're simple and easy to make. Throw in a little olive oil, throw them into a pan, season to perfection, they come out tender, delicious, and you're getting your nutritional value, maintaining your healthy heart, and maintaining your diet. Hey, frozen fruit and frozen vegetables are no different. Here's a little fruit hack for you. Take your frozen blackberries and your frozen blueberries, put them in a cup mixed with water or almond milk, stir it up, blend it up, but you got one of the best tasting smoothies and no other ingredients necessary. Best of all, you're getting all your antioxidants, you're getting all your nutrition, and you're maintaining a healthy heart and a healthy diet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got our shopping list complete thanks to our registered dietitian, Marisa Benavides. We have our fruits, we have our vegetables, and we're ready to go out and live a healthier lifestyle. If you want to find out more about diet and nutrition, make sure you visit our website, gatewaychc.com, for more information. Remember, go out and eat more vegetables. Let's go.
El COVID-19 sigue impactando a nuestra comunidad. Estamos ayudándote a mantenerte sano. Gateway Community Health Center está ofreciendo vacunas contra el COVID-19 sin costo. Visita cualquiera de nuestras clínicas y vacúnate. Las vacunas están disponibles sin costo para adultos y niños mayores de 6 meses de edad. No necesitas hacer previa cita, simplemente visita cualquiera de nuestras clínicas. Para más información visita gatewaychc.com o llama al 956-795-8100.
Gateway Sports Medicine brinda atención de calidad en Laredo y las áreas cercanas, ofreciendo servicios de medicina deportiva para todas las edades. Le damos la bienvenida al Dr. Eduardo Garza, médico de medicina deportiva. El Dr. Garza brinda su experiencia a Gateway Community Health Center, lo cual ayudará a sus pacientes a que continúen siendo atletas de alto rendimiento. Con el regreso a clases, evalúe a su atleta estrella hoy y dele la bienvenida al Dr. Eduardo Garza a Gateway Sports Medicine.
I promise, vegetables and fruits are delicious. Now it's up to you to make sure your plates are loaded up with healthy, delicious greens. For a more complete list of our grocery list, make sure you head over to our website, gatewaychc.com. Earlier in the program, we asked you, how can diabetes be prevented or managed? We asked if it was A, eating a healthy diet, B, exercising regularly, C, maintaining a healthy weight, or D, all of the above. And if you said D, all of the above, then give yourself a pat on the back. According to the American Diabetes Association, healthy lifestyle choices such as eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains combined with regular physical activity can prevent diabetes. Thanks to all of you for playing along at home. So now that we have healthy food figured out, we know this might create a challenge mentally. Controlling our stress levels is important to our mental health and our overall well-being. And one person who knows this all too well is our licensed professional counselor associate, Berenice Toruco, who talked to us about managing stress.
My personal recommendation is physical activity, and that doesn't have to be as far as go to a gym and exercise. It can be something where spend some time outdoors, go for a walk, breathe in some fresh air, and be mindful about the experience around you. Pay attention to your surroundings and create that awareness. Nature exercises can also be very beneficial, such as grounding, like just take some time to walk outside barefoot and feel how the earth feels under your feet. Things like that. They can be very simple, but at the same time, they can also be very powerful and really help you to ground and de-stress. I do practice reflection a lot. I try to identify when I'm feeling anxious or stressed, and then from there I try to figure out what is it that's causing me, so that I can approach it from a sense, well, okay, well, what can I do different now? What can I do now to make me feel less stressed? But I think one of the biggest ones is being able to identify what you're feeling, so that then you can have a plan of action as to how you're going to improve it. I have not had the chance to sit down and reflect, but I think that something that I always make the time to incorporate is some self-care. For me, self-care is exercise. At least 30 to 45 minutes. Exercising, whether if it's walking, mostly I enjoy weight training, so lifting weights. That's my biggest one. But anything involving me being active for 30 to 45 minutes or being outside is my to-go to self-care. in Laredo, there aren't many places where you can go receive counseling services or treatment. There's very few. And the very few that do offer these services have a wait list of 2 to 3 months. And so one thing that we have here at Gateway is that patients are able to come in much sooner than 2 or 3 months. The breathing can be done in different ways. There's different formats, if you want to say, or different strategies that you can use to breathe. It's all a matter of trying to figure out which one suits best, which one feels better for you. But why is breathing so important? I think that breathing is very important because a lot of times our mind is at a high level of stress. And so our mind is telling our body like, hey, we feel very elevated, we feel really stressed, and it needs something to calm down. So in the moment when you start breathing, taking that time to breathe, relax, and think about your breathing, being in a mindful way, you're telling your body that, hey, it's okay to relax, it's okay to not feel stressed. And so that's when your body starts to realize like I don't need to be alert. I'm safe. I'm in a good place, and mostly, bringing that alertness down, which is what excites us and sometimes makes us feel stressed.
Well, as part of getting you, the viewer, to interact with Gateway today, we wanted to take Berenice's advice and head outdoors, focusing on reflection, breathing, and physical activity. So join us on our journey to maintain a healthy mind and a healthy body. It's a beautiful day in the city, and we decided to take the show outside of the clinic. And at Gateway Community Health Center, behavioral health services is one of those services we offer to patients who are dealing with mental health issues. And our licensed professional counselor, Berenice Toruco, recommended that we would reflect, we breathe, and we exercise so that we can improve not only our mindset, our mental health, but we could reduce our stress. So we're gonna show you how easy it is. So follow us, let's get out of the house and let's enjoy the park. So as part of the reflection process, Berenice Toruco, our licensed professional counselor, recommended that we think about our goals, we think about things that are important to us in our life, and I wanted to find a space that would allow me to do that. So I put my phone down, put it away, put it on silent, put it in airplane mode, found a spot here at the park, found a place that was just an area where I could connect with myself. I'm enjoying the sounds. I'm enjoying the scents, the outdoors, the sun hitting me. And all of this is just contributing to the ability for me, myself, to reflect on my goals, the things I want out of life, and I feel pretty good. So as one of our most interactive shows ever, we want you, the viewer at home, to participate with us. So do me a favor, close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold it for a second, and then exhale. Now open your eyes. That's one of the breathing exercises that our licensed professional counselor, Berenice Toruco, recommended that we utilize to lower our stress levels and improve our mental health. It's an easy exercise you could do at home, or better yet, just go outside, enjoy the sun, enjoy the breeze, the sound of the birds chirping, and breathe. It will do wonders for you. I tell you from my own personal experience, it's helped me tremendously. All right, so now that we've got our breathing exercise done, we've got our reflection done, let's jump into our physical activity. That's how you do it. part of our physical activity today, we want to remind you to consult with your physician about physical activity before you take on any kind of exercise. Any of our doctors at Gateway Community Health Center will be happy to guide you through the process. But I also want to remind you that you don't need a gym membership to be outdoors, to enjoy the outdoors, to get your physical activity. Something as simple as a walk outside in the park will do you just fine and contribute not only to your stress levels and lowering them, but also to your mental health. So we want to give a special thanks to our licensed professional counselor, Berenice Toruco, for giving us the advice and the guidance to enjoy the outdoors today. What a workout, right? We got our breathing exercises in, we got our reflection in, we got outdoors, and of course, we got our physical activity in, right? Feeling good, feeling great, all contributing to our stress levels and our mindset. It's all about behavior health and contributing and reducing those stresses in your life. If you want to find out more about our behavioral health department, make sure you visit gatewaychc.com or call 956-795-8100.
That'll do it for this episode of Gateway Today. If you'd like to become a patient of Gateway Community Health Center and experience high quality medical, dental, and behavioral health care, visit gatewaychc.com. Don't forget, if you'd like to catch a full rerun of the episodes or any of our other Gateway Today episodes, check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Till next time, we thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your wealth, so take care of it.
COVID-19 is still impacting our community. We're helping you stay healthy. Gateway Community Health Center is providing vaccines at no cost to you. Visit any Gateway Community Health Clinic and get vaccinated. Vaccines are available at no cost for children 5 years of age and older and adults. Get the vaccine today to help our community stay healthy. Walk-ins are always welcomed. Simply visit any of our conveniently located clinics. For more information, visit gatewaychc.com or call 956-795-8100.
Gateway Sports Medicine has grown leaps and bounds to provide quality health care for everyone in Laredo and the surrounding areas, providing multiple sports medicine services for adults and children. Now we welcome Dr. Eduardo Garza, our new sports medicine physician, to our team, helping the athletes of Laredo be at the peak of their performance. Dr. Eduardo Garza brings his knowledge and experience to Gateway Community Health Center. With school around the corner, get your star athlete checked out today and welcome Dr. Eduardo Garza to Gateway Sports Medicine.
El COVID-19 sigue impactando a nuestra comunidad. Estamos ayudándote a mantenerte sano. Gateway Community Health Center está ofreciendo vacunas contra el COVID-19 sin costo. Visita cualquiera de nuestras clínicas y vacúnate. Las vacunas están disponibles sin costo para adultos y niños mayores de 6 meses de edad. No necesitas hacer previa cita, simplemente visita cualquiera de nuestras clínicas. Para más información visita gatewaychc.com o llama al 956-795-8100.